Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up the Ms. collection, and this is a fashion rental subscription service. So today I'm going to tell you about the service, then I'm going to do an unboxing, and I also tried on all the items, so I will be inserting some photos and video as well. And then I will wrap it up and tell you my overall experience and thoughts on the service. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel, so if you love subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a giveaway going on, so if you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this one in a thumbnail, so at the end of the video you can watch that next and enter. So the Ms. collection, like I said, is a fashion rental service, and it's under the parent company, I guess you could say, of the Mr. and Ms. collection. So there is a personal styling service for both men and women. So the men's side is the Mr. collection and the women's side is the Ms. collection. They offer 4 different subscription plans at different shipping speeds. So there's the standard monthly subscription, meaning you get new clothes every single month, or the standard unlimited. And in the standard subscription plans, you get 3 pieces at a time. And then there's the premium, which is either the premium monthly or the premium unlimited. So the unlimited means you can get new clothing items as many times per month as you wish. And you get 4 items in each of the premium plans. So today we're opening up the premium once a month box, so I have 4 pieces to share with you guys. The price range for these subscription plans are from $59 to $89. The company did provide a code for me to share with you guys. It's not affiliated, and just full disclaimer, this box was sent to me free for review. This is not sponsored, and I actually do have to return the clothes, so I'm not like paid in clothing or anything like that as well. So I pretty much am renting this for free. So thank you to the Mr. and Ms. collection for letting me try out your service and providing us with a code. So if you want to save 20% on your first order, the code is Kitty20. The code will be listed down below in the description box, as well as their link if you are interested in subscribing. I really love fashion rental services. If you guys have been around, you know I do jewelry rental. I just feel like this leaves, less of a print on the world. Like, you're not just buying fast fashion and accumulating all these clothes that eventually end up in a landfill. You get to wear these items for as long as you wish, and you also have the option to buy. Every single month with the service, you get $20 credit that will apply to any of the items, and you also can get the items at a discounted rate compared to the retail value. They also offer this protection plan that's an additional $5 per month. So this would cover like if your clothes were damaged or anything like that. So that's optional, up to you. When you sign up, you do fill out a fashion survey or profile to let the stylist know what you like and what you don't like. And spoiler, I think they did a really good job styling me. So here is the box. And again, we have 4 items. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. It says, "Fashion is what we send, style is how you wear it." The Mr. and Ms. collection. And then we have some paper here. The first card says, "Thank you and welcome. We founded the Mr. and Ms. collection to make getting dressed easier and more stylish. Our goal, as it always has been, is to deliver you a personalized service brought to you by a team who truly cares." And then there's a welcome note too. "Welcome to the Ms. collection," and they give some tips and stuff like that. And then last but not least, we have a card with the information on the actual clothing items we received. So it says handpicked for Kitty, and it lets you know what you should do. It says try on and wear all your items for as long as you like with no commitment. To mix and match the style sent with your own wardrobe. The key is to push your style boundaries. You may be surprised by what you like. I think that is really important to try everything on, because some things totally look different on than off. And in the past, I've gotten other fashion boxes, I was like, no way, and then I put it on. But I must admit, when I saw all of these pieces today, I did like them at first glance. And then when you are ready, you can leave feedback for your stylist. You can let them know what you liked, how your items fit, and your feedback will help them make future packs even better. And return when ready, fall in love with an item, buy what you love with your exclusive member price. Just visit your account or hold on to the items you want to purchase and return the rest. They do provide a pre-labeled return bag, so if you do return any items or all the items, that's there, paid for too, so that's very convenient. And once you return your items, they will send on the next pack of clothing. So let's get started. So my favorite item is what I'm wearing today. It is a top. And by the way, I've been wearing all of these items in my videos over the past week or two, so they may look familiar. I love this. So this is like off the shoulder top, and the color is so pretty. I think they did a great job. And I must say everything that I tried on that we'll see today did fit true to size. I've tried other services before in the past, and some of them were like way too tight. I mean, maybe I just didn't give the right size, but the size that I put in, everything fits me great, which is awesome. So this is called the Teachy top, and the normal retail price is $80, but as a member you can purchase it, or I can purchase it for $52.80. And I love this so much. It is so cute. I love the color. It's so comfortable. So yeah, I will insert some clips of me wearing this. I believe I took both photos and videos for this one, but yeah, this is my favorite. I love it so much. And next up is another top, and it's a pretty color, and the sleeves are super fun. And I tried this on in multiple ways, you'll see throughout the video. So there is a skirt that we'll talk about next, so I tried it on with that. And then I also tried it on with some jean shorts to like make it more casual. So this is definitely a versatile top, super pretty, love the color. And this is called the Bobo top, hopefully I'm saying that right. The retail price is $73, but as a member the price is $56.94. So that is a lot for a shirt, but I was really happy to get this through a rental service and wear it for a little while. I don't think I would pay that much for a t-shirt, but I did really like this. And the sleeves made it like extra like unique, you know, and that kind of is what made it be able to be dressed up or down, I think. Now the skirt is the one item you guys wouldn't have seen in videos since, you know, I'm sitting like how I am now in all of them, but it's super pretty. I love it. I love the colors so much. Super comfy. So this is the top. It's a really good length. Love the colors. And this is by Esqualo. Again, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing any of the brands. These are all new brands to me, so that's super fun. And this skirt has a retail value of $71, but as a member you can purchase it for $58.22. And it does have an inner lining in it, but yeah, super comfy, flowy, super flattering. Love the colors, like seriously, so pretty. So you see I wore it with the top I just showed you. I also worn it with some other items, super cute. And last but not least, we have a dress, and this is by Apricot, and I think the colors on this are also beautiful. And this is a very flattering fit too. There is like, it's cinched a little bit at the waist, and then they also have this here you can tie around your waist to make it even more flattering as a fit. And yeah, there's a zipper closure in the back. And it's not like stretchy, but it's like a little bit, like it's not super tight. It was a little tight in the bust for me, but I am pretty busty, but I was able to get it on and close the zipper and back all by myself. And if you guys know, that can be hard to do sometimes. So this dress, Apricot dress, the retail price is $80 and the member price is $64. So in total for the retail value, it would be $304, but as a member, it would be $231.96. And again, you have $20 each month as credit to apply to any purchases you want to make. And if you don't want to make any purchases, that's fine. Just send it back and you will get your next pack of clothing. So those are all the items, and I have to say I am very impressed. I feel like the stylist did a great job following like what I like, what I don't like. The colors I think were also great and suited me really well. I honestly liked every single item. Every single item fit. I know that one I said was a little tight on the bust, but like not too uncomfortably so, you know? And yeah, I really liked it. I'm kind of sad I have to return this. Maybe I'll have to purchase this. I don't know, but yeah, this top I love. I love everything, and I can see myself wearing them a lot. So yeah, I would love to know your thoughts about the items, and if you noticed me wearing these in recent videos. Again, if you guys are interested in this styling service, I highly recommend it, and if you do subscribe, make sure to use the code KITTY20 to save you some money. And yeah, thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!